nonsense behavior.
No, what is it?
Eh?
No, I don't like it.
You go to anyhow.
No, the way you
The
embarrass me.
like say you know your husband.
The
now?
way you embarrassed me today was just too much, Obin. I don't like it. I don't like it.
I tell you, say make you no wear this makeup for face. I don't tell you. I said no wear this makeup. You go carry and paint your face. Carry foundation, plaster your face. Like say they try renovate house. Which kind of thing with this one? That we didn't want to pay me say. What thing they pay me be say they waka one kind waka. Those small boys they whistle for wife of chief.
Did I answer them? Did I answer them, Obin? I did not answer them. Now, yeah, you still embarrass me in front of those small boys.
You answer them now. Make sure you go first. God for us punish you there and dialect. Just try and answer them. If you won't think of answer them, God will also punish you there. I tell you, say no wear makeup. If you could they plaster your face. Can I get something? As long as you continue to disrespect me in this house, as long as you continue to embarrass me in this house, as long as you continue to disobey me in this house, I will embarrass you. And my embarrassment, it go be embarrassment Pro Max, like a new iPhone. You do anyhow. I tell you, say, not put this makeup for face. You go carry and paint for your face like you want paint house. Bloody embarrassment.
It's embarrassment, not embarrassment.
Na embarrassment. My money pass your English. My money, it pass your English. Embarrassment. Embarrassment. Carry and do what you want to do. How much is there for your account? You want to teach me English? Or you want to come? You want to teach me English? Or you bring 50 billion now? Bring 20 billion out to now. Bring 100 million back. You know get them for account. Your account they read 100,000 naira. They teach me embarrass.
It's a lie.
Listen, he practically dragged me by the hand. He took me to where those guys were standing. And when we got there, he was like, look at her. She's a married woman underneath all that makeup. Like, who does that?
Girl, that's extreme now. Premium embarrassment.
Ajay, I don't even know what to do with that man. I don't know what to do with my husband. Like, his jealousy is just too much. It's choking me at this point. I don't know what to do.
Girl, you see, people like your husband, the moment you give in to them, they want to take control over your life and your whole existence.
Exactly.
Not grief for this man.
Exactly. That is why I am doing what I want, as long as I'm not doing anything wrong.
Ha!
You know? Can you imagine that he asked me to quit my job? Hey, God. My dear, it's not even funny at all at this point. It's crazy.
OGBONNA is a case.
Speak of the devil. My dear, let me come and be going before I start hearing too much talk.
Are you serious? Won't you stay extra hour?
No. Sorry. Hello? Yes, dear, I'm fine. I'm at Julius, please. Oh, my God. Okay.
Really? I'll come and be going.
Julie, let me go. Come on, let me go.
Come and go. No more wahala.
Jesus, I'm tired.
What's here now? You don't give your husband the food now before you go work. You know that happen?
Okay. Now that I have served your food, Your Royal Highness, and I have changed as you instructed, can I, with your humble permission, go to work now?
No problem now, but 4 o'clock.
What happens at 4 o'clock?
At late now, by that of 4 o'clock, you should be in this house. Because your office is closed by 3 p.m. If you close by 3 p.m., you go pack your things now. Highest 5 minutes. From that place to here. Between here, 35 or 36, it's supposed to don't reach house. But I just say that of 4 o'clock, or just because if you want to buy something for supermarket, you know, I don't lie now. But I know like the way your brother,
they rhyme, they show. They show. You know, things say you go wear shirt inside the first.
Why not go?
Even if I not really like this lipstick where you put it too shout. Because don't waste time. I don't even check whether focus no lane today, so no traffic. Because 4 o'clock.
And so now, if you not protect your wife, they go tip am for your hand. They will tip am for your hand. I just think now, how much I will give you, maybe say you could just stop to the work.
What do you mean?
I mean, how much I will pay you now in cash kind of transfer. We go make you to the stop this work where they do. You put Nyash inside your husband's house, just sit down. I don't say they pay you already. They pay you monthly salary every month. We even pass the one they pay you for office. But I go add inside. Plus the money we go tell me now, say make I do transfer. No. I carry phone, send them to you.
Obinna.
How much?
Obinna. See, what you give me is allowance, not salary. Because I don't work for you now. And I love working. You met me working, Obinna. Please, see. I have an early morning tomorrow, so I need to rest. I need to sleep.
You love working? Okwaya? Let me open shop for you now. They sell only female materials.
No, please, I don't want any shop, please.
I'll go open up a big mall now.
Obinna, leave me alone, I'm tired. Good night.
Listen, I think plenty women, they beg for the husband to do for them. And they do it for you free of charge.
Uche, I really don't understand you. Your husband literally gave you a blank check just to stop working, and you refuse.
Yeah?
Girl, you don't know what God has done for you, do you? Do you know how many men push their wife out there to go hustle, bring money back to the family, contribute to the family, but your husband is telling you to just sit at home, relax, and don't work, and you refuse?
Well, my darling, that's too bad because, look, I'm not wired to depend on any man. Plus, I'm not going to quit my job for nobody.
Oh, wow. This life is so unfair. Who does that? I am stopping there, please.
All right.
Okay. Please don't forget to come pick me up.
All right, then.
All right, baby. Have a good day.
Uchechi, waiting be your time. Uchechi, where are you coming from?
It's from, not from.
I don't give a damn whether it is a flum or flum. Whether not flum or flum, I don't care. What did they ask you now? Where are you coming from, Uchechi? Walk where you they do when they close by 3 p.m. By 4 p.m., you supposed to don't leave your husband in the house. 4 p.m. pass, you no leach. 5 p.m. pass, you no leach. 6 p.m. Now when you they come back, your husband the ass, Uchechi. Where you they come from?
Obinna, have I ever given you any reason to doubt me?
You don't give me reason to doubt you. The writer with the Bible, he give Samson reason to doubt him.
You give him any lesson to doubt him, the girl go bab strong man, Dika Samson, Skodo. Come out all in head, you and bad head. Person will get wrong hair like this, where they powerful. You scrape everything, come out. You need to talk about lesson. Uchechi, I check traffic for Google Map. Not traffic for load. Not even single traffic. I even ask Siri. Siri said traffic no dey for that loot where you dey use come. So where you dey come from?
I had a flat tire on Thompson Road. If you called me, I would have told you about it.
Yeah. Thompson Road. Thompson Road. Enter this place, come out here, enter this one, turn left, turn right. Thompson Road. 15 minutes walk from that place to here. You get flat tire. Eh? Uchechi. If to fix flat tire, no, they pass highest to fix that tire, 15 minutes. Bad as a bad, 20 minutes. Eh? No problem. I don't go be like say I doubt you. Show me the number of the mechanic where you call. Because you know on yourself now, your hand not dirty. So show me the number of the mechanic where you call to come fix that tire. I want to see him. Why you they give me that kind of eye? Uchechi, I follow you talk. Oh. Uchechi. Uchechi, you must tell me where you they come from. Oh. You must tell me where you they come from. And that dress where you wear come out. It still show your knees small. I tell you say they wear long clothes they come out. You wear that one come out, abi? No problem. No problem. Mechanic. Uchechi, Biaba. Come here first. Come. Who they follow chat like this now? Where you laugh anyhow?
What do you mean?
What do I mean? You are person they follow chat there, you laugh anyhow. Which man you they follow chat for way to make you smile?
I don't understand. What is this?
What is this one? Eh? Person they make you smile as you just leave your food there. The follow person they chat they smile. Give me your phone.
This is my privacy now. I cannot show you.
Your private guinea. Eh? Private something at night time. You the phone person they chat for a phone. Come on, give me phone first. Make us what's in that board there. You say it's a private phone. Private phone bukwa gedia. Hey, yeah, your friend na the gossip. Yes, eh? That's a big gossip.
Obina, you're so unbelievable.
What did I do now? Baby. Wow. So she will now go upstairs, can't change who she dey follow chat to. Yeah? Because now this one will be technique. You go now. Come, yeah, this girl, I don't understand something. Why is it every time I throw this makeup away, he will go and buy another one? Eh? Every time.
Obina, if you know how expensive this makeup is, you will not be throwing it away.
If I know how expensive the makeup is, I will not throw it away. If you know how expensive that makeup is, he will not be buying it because I will still throw it away. You buy, I throw. You understand? And now you have entered culture of you will be carrying it around. Anywhere you go, you carry it around. You think I will not catch it one day and throw it away? I will catch it and I will throw it away. You know?
Eh? I don't even know who you're doing this makeup for. Because it's not me.
Obinna.
Maybe there's a one boy somewhere. You're painting all this your face for.
Obinna, I'm not doing makeup for anybody else, okay? I'm doing it for myself and for no one else. What are you saying?
Is that right? No problem. Let me shower.
Jesus Christ. I'm sick and tired of this nonsense.
Hey, Steven. Wow.
My able line manager.
You're back from your leave.
Yeah, of course.
Welcome. What's up now?
Stop it there! Hey, who's ranking? Eh? 9 minutes now.
Obinna.
Eh? 9 minutes. Now, okay, they come with your work to come commit adultery and fornication.
Obinna, what is this?
What is what?
What's the meaning of this?
You apologize to him. You go explain it. He will not explain anything to you. You get a man, they hug another woman or husband for public. You hug another person, the wife for public. You don't get shame. You don't get shame, Paya.
It's not what you think now.
It's not what I think. So now you think for me. Ngado, let us be going. Let us be going. If you touch me, if you touch me, backhand the one will give you and front hand. It will be like thunder and lightning.
Sorry.
Blood this kind of one. Ngado, Paya. This way. No, they look me eye. Make I see you here again. If they come work, they commit adultery and fornication. If I don't come here today, come say you dey hug person. Why would they go come what for here? Rubbish work where they do. Fornication and adultery. Eh? Fornication and adultery. If the Holy Spirit did not lead me now to come to that your office, that is how he would have been hugging that idiot there, kissing him, and even who knows now, 9 months time will now come. You will carry belay for him. That is what you used to go and do in that office of Paya.
Obinna, you mean you trailed me to my office just to embarrass me? Me, Obinna?
I trailed you to your office, yes. I trailed you there because the Spirit of the Lord lead me to trail you there. Yes. And I see what I have to see. So you know it, the end.
What is the end?
You mean that you will not to step your feet in that office again. Makachuku. If you enter the office again, no say my name, no be Obinna or Haneze. I tolerate this nonsense from you for too long. For too long. You're there in your office committing fornication and adultery. Married woman, no. Hey! In fact, my kinsman will hear about this one.
See, Chijioke, my salary hasn't been paid yet. 800k is not small money. You keep asking me for money, Do you know what I do to make money? I don't have that much, please. All the ones you're still owing me, you've not paid yet. The one I'm still giving your family, you've not paid yet. You're not even talking about how to pay them. My rent is almost due. I don't even know where I'm going to get the money to pay. All you do is just ask. All these things you are doing, I don't like it, to be honest. I'm getting tired. Okay. It's almost time. I need to go to bed. I love you too. It's too much. It's getting too much. Please, just think of how to pay me back the money. All right. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Every time money. On top man, we never marry me.
Baby, have you seen my keys, my car keys?
Which keys?
My bunch of keys that has like my car keys, house keys, everything.
Oh, the bunch don't have a bulletin inside.
Yes.
It's with me.
Why? What's going on?
Well, yesterday I've been telling you, say, you know, they go that work again now. I mean, you don't forget. Or it's instead of they talk, I mean, talk sweet. Come on now. I mean, that's why. I tell you for here now, so you know they go that place again.
Obinna, are you saying that you seized the car you bought for me?
Bam. I've seized it now, depending on where you're going to. Because, in fact, everything they even do me now, besides the supply, say they even get them out to reply me. As in, where you get that kind of morale to they reply me. Because I never report you to your kinsmen. About your infidelity.
What infidelity are you talking about, Obinna? What infidelity?
Okay. Did I catch you kissing that Steve boy? No. I not see you kiss her. But in a phone clap, it enter dance. If I no come that time, that hug for don't enter kiss. But the one with the really pain me be say, I know, and do you know? Say, as that boy hug you that hug, ain't it no rise? You know if it boom for body? You know feel am? I feel am for your sake.
Obinna.
Let's see, just to go upstairs and go and exchange and come, let us watch news. You see, American politics, things are happening. Trump wants to do strong thing now.
Obinna, please, I really have to go to work. Please, can I have the keys? I'm begging you, please.
But no, now. No. You need to go that place again to go work. You don't do over. Just to go upstairs, change the clothes to come. Me and I don't even come out today. Make we sit down there, do TV and chill. I like this Trump, the very collect man. Up Trump. Hey.
Hello? Yes, hi. Yes, it's Uche, she is. Please, I'm sorry. I can't come to work today. Something came up, please. Don't worry, I'll send an email to that if
He don't resign.
Okay.
He don't resign. Tell them say he don't resign. Which time say something come up? Come up to where? Okay, now me come up now. I come up. Tell them say he don't resign. He don't resign. So say something come up. Come up from where to where? Go change clothes to come make we sit down and watch television. That obviously you no go that place again. Make that Steve boy go dey find order of encourage them. They hug them, kiss them, anything where you want to do with them. That is his bloody business. You are a wife of a chief.
Obinna, I think you went too far.
I went too far. As of how? How they go far? I dey tell you, say my wife, they hug another man. Her bless, they touch the man's chest. You say I go too far. Go too far to where? Hmm?
Obi, I know you. See, I can tell when you're exaggerating.
Nah, which one besides exaggerating now? But in they to exaggerate. Say a person wife, a titled man or wife, they hug another man. Her bless they touch the man chest. They idiot they smile. Foolish guy they smile. Hmm? Is that I exaggerate? How I exaggerate? The guy they very lucky. Say I no hold gun that day. AK-52, I don't give him 2 shots.
What I would just tell you is that just be careful so that you will not chase your woman away. Be careful, though.
Behind the busy, is you transport there?
What will happen?
Because I go throw you come out for this guy if you talk that kind of thing again. To God. If you talk to my wife, go read me again, I go throw you come for this car.
I'm just joking, don't worry. Wife's not going
better be joking. Better be joking.
He's not going to leave you, don't worry, I'm just joking.
Yeah, come, Emeka, why you the enter gallop anyhow now? Eh? You just the enter gallop anyhow. Which kind of drive you the drive yourself? Come, at the desk today, make I carry and slap you from back.
Sorry, sir.
Enter light for that corner. That junction, enter light. Make I see the person for there.
Obi.
Nah, I don't understand some people. And the idiot guy, you know, say the woman and a married woman is still the hugger.
But for you exaggerate too much. Like, just calm down, relax yourself.
Obinna.
Oh,
Obinna, what is it?
I'm chilling now. Relax.
Please leave me alone. I'm tired. Obinna.
Which one be say you don't tire? Eh? I won't penetrate you say you don't tire.
I'm not in the mood, please.
You're not in the mood. Eh? No, they do like this now. Come.
Obinna, I said I'm not in the mood. Tired.
I don't understand this thing why they do like this. So now because of a work, Abi? Eh? Because of a work. You can't deny me of my light.
Eh?
No, my light now. I not to my wife.
And Obinna, you have no right to tell me not to work.
What it concern work concerns my light?
Obinna, say I'm tired. I'm not in the mood, please. I'm not in the mood.
You're not in the mood?
Yes, I'm not in the mood.
Eh. No problem. To wear makeup now, you go there for mood. If you not to wear short clothes now, they go work, you go there for mood. This kind of clothes you wear now, see supposed they wear go work. You carry and they sleep. Now the short one is supposed they wear for here, for easy access. Okay, I will go find that Muslim self.
Chechi, is it true what your husband is accusing you of?
Uncle, I have said it and I'm going to say it again. I did not kiss anybody. I only hugged my colleague, that's it.
He only hug your colleague, that's all. That is all. Eh? So now until you kiss your colleague before you know what you do, no they good. Eh? Ogum, my wife will hear, carry her bless the love for another bunkon, another man chest, nipple to nipple. Nipple to nipple. What did even best me be said the man been they smile. If you see the smile with this guy hold for face that day, eh? If you see the smile, because they enjoy my wife with soft body. That's why I pay bright price for complete. If they hug another man. No, now if I come out to pants for them now before we say na romance. Eh? Which kind of romance pass to the come out to the put nipple for another man body? Person like Dangote now. He wife with the hug person. Eh? Or let me to Nubu. You don't see how they hug anybody before. Tony Alumaro. He wife the hug person. Why my own wife with a hug person like that? Say na colleague. Colleague Bukwarundia.
Uchechi.
Nonsense.
Uchechi, kneel down and apologize to your husband.
What did I do? No, Uncle, no apologize. I did not do anything wrong. What did I do? No, I think that is not enough. He embarrassed me in front of all my colleagues and then he now bans me from going to work just because I hugged someone. I'm not going to apologize. I did not do anything wrong.
I embarrass you. Who embarrass who now? You embarrass my family. You embarrass my family. Go the hug man like that for public. You don't see anything wrong with that. Eh?
Oh, what didn't even invest me pass be see. When we come back house, we will say, I dey try even just okay, make I calm my temperature down. You know, play tennis for inside bedroom. My wife denied me that one. My conjugal light, my fundamental human light, now she deny me. What's not that long for that one? What's not that long for that one? They hug your colleague, say now waiting. That's to cap for yourself now. Cap for yourself now. They be like say you know come from person house.
My in-law, calm down. Wait, please, wait. Uchechi, do you know that as a married woman, there are some certain things you are not supposed to do, like hugging a man?
Ogom, you go talk to her. You go talk to my wife, because I don't see anything long to rob your wife. Now rob her, I don't keep person. I don't do bad to rob her. And I've robbed her from the first day I meet her to today. It no spoil. At the time protect my own. I never see where person will be. In fact, that's her work where she they do. What thing with that work where they do, sir? How much do they pay you there? That nonsense work. I go buy the whole place. Make sure the whole place. Now you they go there. You know when person who they say Lamborghini go come out for Lamborghini who they drive keke. Nah, I don't understand some kind of things.
See, Juliet, I am just tired. Can you believe that Obinna trailed me to my office and embarrassed me in front of my colleagues? I don't even know how I'm going to face them when I go to work next time. I don't know. No, honestly, he even reported me to my aunt and uncle as if I'm a child, simply because I know someone.
Hello. Neana.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Juliet. No wonder they like to dress naked, They can't flend the way you they loam around. She come see Steph, she dey almost half naked. Maybe her whole blessed day outside like this. This thing where she wear and pants, waiting be the different. If breeze blow now, found yash open. Okay. I talk right. Actually, she know the naked. Color pink earring, but say she go party. Paint eye pink. Come wear con shoe they waka around for afternoon. Who they do that kind of thing?
I think I should be on my way.
Please, now you don't have to.
Yes, you're right. You should be on your way. Just negodo. Just negodo. You just douse. Everything now out. What things that I want to teach you now? Just now, Wahari. They find it, what you know they find that. What you bring now? I don't tell you this thing before. If you get a good friend, you yourself, you go to be like a good person now. Look at him to be say wife now. I don't even know the shape of her head because she cover up from head to toe. Very responsible woman. Now the type person where you need to make your friend. You go, they carry this one, we be like us now fan. They carry they make friend. She don't waka. No trophy. No trophy. She get husband. She get a boyfriend. You, God don't bless you. He give you better husband like this. If you like, you be like us now fan. When God did DSF, they try win. This one are the new generation. Gen Z bad.
Baby, you know, see as I open a reg like this, you're supposed to know that.
What is it?
What is Solly? Solly say I behave the way I behave with you. You just say, you know, say I know the right maker or that man they gone body with my woman. I never change. That's why I did since.
But Obinna, it was just an innocent hug now.
That is to you. That boy where I see, I will be like pussy.
You know what's in there for that boy mind? Eh? How person go dey scratch my Bugatti, my Bentley, my Ferrari? You know they possible now.
So is that why you now went and called my family members to come here? As if I'm a child.
That one now because of say you not give me bonge. You not give me bonge now. Na konji.
And then how about you insulting my friend?
That one. She deserve him. I don't even insult her where. That is I wish she sit down 5 more minutes for me. They get within I want tell her.
Obina.
That one, okay, we just leave them because she they affect our mood. They leave them. But sorry for the other ones the way I do.
You have to promise me that you will not insult my friend again.
I not go insult your friend again, sorry. That is if she behave herself. Because that one now Banji's stepsister. Sorry. That's why you did smile now. I know when you did smile like this. I know what you mean. Sure, you go give me bonge now. Because I know say your body they sweet you too. You just they pretend. You the one that when with these big hands touch me. Hey! When with this hand enter inside, boom! I don't say you imagine and sis. You imagine when I go come out to your crew to construct blessed.
1 million naira just to apologize. Girl, it's time to be smart.
What do you mean?
I mean, your husband has free hands. If you tell him to be giving you that money every month, he will.
And why should I do that?
Just in case you have something to fall back to. Anything can happen.
Wait, Juliet, I want to understand something. What something are we talking about here? And why should I be thinking about that something that will require me to need something to fall back on?
Girl, you know these men, they don't love forever. I am not saying it's going to happen to you, but I'm just saying just prepare ahead. You know, prepare for the worst.
Please free me, please. Like, look, I need to leave now because I need to go cook for him.
Already?
Yep, I have to.
All right, let me walk you out.
All right, thanks, babes. Hello? Oh, hi, sir. Hello, sir. Okay, Abuja. All right, sir. Yes, I will check the mail and respond immediately. Okay. Quick question, sir. How many of us are going? Oh, just me. Okay, sir. All right. All right, thank you, bye.
Just to apologize. 1 million naira. And I'm here. Looking for ordinary 800,000 naira. I cannot find. Ah! Truly there are men. And there is a man. Juliet. What does Uche have that I don't have? Is it face? Abi his body? It's high time I step up my game. I'm just meeting rubbish men. Rubbish men! What does she have that I don't have? I need to... No.
Robin, this is how they love my chest like this. They draw a map of Nigeria on top of my chest. Waiting you want?
Well, actually, Nothing too serious. Nothing.
Yeah, talk am. Something serious today inside. Talk am. Shoot, make I hear that.
Okay, so, baby, it's about that my business trip to Abuja. Just want you to it's only for 3 days. 3 days only. I'll be right back here.
Yeah, see, Obi, I've been telling you, say make you go back and they work. I know say make you travel. Two different things. You can go back to work and resume. You know means say make you the travel. Eh?
Hey, baby.
Man.
This is a very big opportunity for me now, please.
What thing to forget? For those politicians them today look my wife waste. Eh? Call your boss or tell him if he find a girl where you go travel with or where go sleep outside her husband's house, no be you.
Nah.
Hey, we've been there before. Baby, so now you, this is girl. To God, you're funny. No problem. Hey, Mali the man don't see shaggy for Nigeria. Hi.
Hey girl, what's up? Uche, let me tell you something. You know I'm your friend, and I will not lie to you. Your husband wants to cage you. Because if not, I don't understand. I mean, what's wrong about taking a trip? It's a business trip. Girl, pack your things. Go to that trip. When you get back, when I go settle them as adults. Every time it's just disturbing your life. You're not a child now. You're a grown up. Alright, we'll talk tomorrow. It's late. Love you too. Every time just they disturb this girl. Let the poor girl breathe.
If you're right, squeeze your face from today to tomorrow. You will not go to that Abuja.
Hello? Auntie Amarachi. Hi. What? What happened? Oh my God. Okay. You know what? Don't worry. I will get back to you about that. Okay.
Well, what's happened?
Auntie Amarachi's husband was just involved in a terrible accident.
Hey.
Oh my goodness, and she's just taking him to the hospital. It's bad.
He no die?
No.
Thank God now. At least when there's a life, there is a hope. No problem. Now wow.
Darling, see, she said I should ask if the two children can come and live with us here for a little bit since she's going to be taking care of her husband in the hospital for a while.
No problem, and your family people are my family people. It's the same thing. They can come. They can come and stay.
Thank you.
But you go tell your family people them, the children, but they don't come, they break things for house. That television like that, it cost me 4.5 million. Everything here is expensive. But no problem. So that means your Abuja trip have cancelled now. Your brother-in-law is dying. And not to travel when he's dying. It's not a good look. Eat your food now.
Hey, my darlings. Oh my God, look at you. You are so grown. Come here.
Auntie.
Hi, how are you?
So nice to see you guys. Welcome. All right, guys, let me see you guys. Dear mommy. How are you doing?
Let me go.
Oh, my darling. I'm sorry. So what is the doctor saying?
It's not looking good at all.
It's not. I hope they caught the bastard.
For where? We ran away.
Listen, everything is going to be okay. Sorry.
Please, let me stand. Let me be going fast. Let me go to the hospital.
Okay.
You should enjoy your meal, eh? So, be our pleasure. What class are you in now?
Uncle, my name is Treasure, not Pleasure.
But that's what I talk now. I say pleasure. I talk on that.
No, Uncle. You said her name was Pleasure. Her name is Treasure, not Pleasure.
Okay, so you people are trying to collect me now.
You're not lying. Trying. Want to make us some?
Okay, all right. You know what, you guys, let's observe table manners, okay? Please.
No, now they're trying to prove to me that they know English more than me.
Yes.
Teach yourself first. Which time is it? No, number last month now. Yeah? Number last month now.
Hey, listen, nobody's trying to prove anything, okay? Just forget about it.
No problem.
Sorry.
But this thing, it's not for village that year now. They for the pick pin as a hot son.
No problem. It's problem.
Victory, can you eat? Okay? Eat your food.
Oh my God.
Uncle, sorry.
You guys.
Don't be
Okay,
offended.
you guys eat. No, seriously, eat your food.
Those children be behaving as if they are at their eighth one. Eh? Even Aki and Papa that year, they know they behave like that. Just they talk. Turu. Which kind of rubbish be that one? They want to collect me.
But babe, you said as a grown man, you kept arguing with them. Why? They are children now. You should have just let it go.
If you don't prove yourself to them, they will try to prove themselves to you. They collect you for public anyhow. Any small thing where you talk, they go carry and collect you.
Okay.
You know?
It'll be nice, okay.
I don't understand it. Their father, you don't get money reach me now. But you know now.
Obina, it's okay now. It's okay.
Upon all the English where he know. He money no nya.
Obina, sorry. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, so see, I want to use this opportunity and discuss something with you. So you see, now that these children are here, I'm just thinking, we shouldn't be fighting.
Bam.
You know, now that the children are around.
Exactly. Now this same thing where you talk on now, now I won't even, tell you. But I don't think I'm saying, say, as the day here now, we suppose they, carry ourselves in good way. A composure, that is, maybe they get to something where they go emulate from. You understand? At least now you go to wear boo. No more wearing of this short skirts and the gun body and the makeup. Because if they teach them the bad things, maybe they don't go rent bad things. Say they come our house to come rent bad things.
Obina, beg, please, not now, yeah? That's what you're saying now.
Even no more working out on your husband.
Obina, beg.
Because now you don't use this one, just work come out. But think about what I talk. Because this is your character. It be like say you go spoil those children before they mature. Add to the spoil where they don't spoil. Nah, You like it, okay? I think that thing, because after I see you that day that you wear that boob, I can't realize it on my fault to say you dress like my little man. Because I know they go shopping for you. So I don't go now. I do better shopping for you. Look this one now, tie and dye. They embroidered the inside. Other materials there. I even talk to the woman. I see some Point magazine. She say in 10 days time, you go one day like this. She go bling them for you. At least now you go dress like my little man now.
Obina, wait. You do realize that I am a young married woman, right?
married woman, I hear that one. At least a married woman there inside that thing when you talk. Eh? But you forget the main one. Proper married woman. The way you're young, we don't need that. No need for that young. Because if I throw two twins inside here now, you know they're young again now. They go they work out like this, you know, like a married woman that you are. Make I go find something where I go. Yeah, come on. Your lap, they don't see Anaya, so it's okay. Cover it. Eh? Hey! Hey, no, thank you, but it's okay.
No, like, see, Juliet, it's not even funny. Like, if you see the kinds of clothes my husband bought for me, oh my God, like, you would just pity me. Horrible. No, like, honestly.
I just can't help it.
No, like, honestly, I don't know. Like, the kind of things that turn my husband on are very weird. Look, don't get me wrong.
Okay.
He likes sexiness, but it only has to be within our bedroom. Anywhere outside of that, like anywhere outside our bedroom is a no-go area. Honestly.
As Umada.
My darling, my husband's love language is on sexiness.
Oh
I
my
swear.
goodness. By the way, I thought you said your nieces are here. Where are they?
Yeah, they're here. They're upstairs. I gave them an assignment to do, so
Oh, okay.
they're working on it. So how about Chijoke? How is it?
It's fine. It's fine. I think I have to go before your husband gets back. You know he doesn't like me.
Come on, babes.
I don't
It's
want
not like
problem.
that now. It's not my husband. It's not like that. Listen, his only problem is that he doesn't like anybody who does not dress like an.
Then I should be long gone before he's back. I don't have strength for Wahala. Alright, baby. Come walk me to the door.
Let me see you off.
Who's it there? Check who's on the door,
Okay. Good morning.
Hey, baby girl. Good morning. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Juliet.
Oga will be.
How now?
I'm fine. Good morning, sir.
This one that you come today. Your plan is not allowed to share. Go to work.
Oh, really? Oh, I didn't know.
Okay, sit down now.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you.
How is everything now?
Fine. Thank you, sir.
Oh, again. Eh? Now you dress like this. You dress like a responsible human being. Eh? No be all that one when they wear every time. When I go, they wear tight clothes. Your pants go show. Everything go they show for inside the clothes. Eh? So as you dey now, responsible.
Go be this is how I normally dress. So it's because of work that I dress like that.
Because of work.
Because of work. Oh.
When I go stop that work, that work na useless work now. Eh? Work where they make a responsible woman be like irresponsible. That time when they glow up, if woman won't go work, she they wear wrong skirts, come push me under. But now, girl go just to wear clothes, no pants, they go work. It no make sense now. You go help me tell your friend, at least make she dey try dress like this. Make she dey try dey responsible for her dress.
Okay, we they talk like say you don't know your wife. She's stubborn now. She will not listen to me.
True, she's stubborn small.
But I will be honestly, if I were the one you married, with everything that you are doing for your wife, she's supposed to listen to you.
I think.
Just imagine saying I mean you marry. I go worship the ground you step on.
Okay. At least thank God you say you go
worship my ground first. You go start to the worship God own first. Come and be going. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for stopping by.
Oh God, we so soon.
Bye-bye. Take care.
Oh.
Bye-bye. Worship the ground I walk on. Start by worshiping God. You. 50 million. How they could come let 50 million? I'm very busy. I'm very busy right now, and I'm doing my business. You know, today I'm working from home. 50 million. 50.
It's just a pronunciation assignment. Just come and take much of your time.
I'm going to wait for your auntie to come back so that she can help you. It will even help people to have a bonding relationship. I'm.
Uncle, just a few words now. Don't take much
Yo.
time, please.
What is it now? What is it? What is it now?
Sit there. I don't know. Yeah.
Is this not your handwriting, Victory?
Okay, it's not handwriting. Handwriting. Oh,
Good.
But how will you now write something that you cannot pronounce?
Right. Cool. I found it from the textbook.
Let me read it for you.
Oh, yeah, sit here.
Remove the road from the load. What? Okay, you're okay now. Wait, you're not laughing at me, yeah? No. You come to come and help you, say you're laughing at me. No problem. I will not buy for ice cream again. No problem. No, it's okay now.
Wait, it's not ice cream, it's ice cream.
English is no
Ice cream.
No problem.
Ice cream.
Uncle, don't forget to buy the ice cream tomorrow.
Sorry. Oh God.
Uncle, don't forget to ice cream for us tomorrow.
No, not ice cream.
Ice cream.
Babe,
Baby.
on our way out, okay? I'll see you later.
Okay, no problem.
All right.
Wait. Chile. What are you wearing like this now? What about that one, that coat I bought for you?
Bina, there's nothing wrong with what I'm wearing. I'm just taking the girls out.
Yes, it's little now. See slit on the side. Your whole wrap is showing.
Auntie is looking fine, right, Victory?
Yes. What exactly is wrong with it? I don't see anything wrong with it, Uncle.
4 o'clock, or you should come back.
All right. Okay. See you later.
Well, pull it down small.
Girls, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Baby,
Yes, please.
I think you wear pants.
Open. Let's go. Sorry, girls. Let me take this call.
Very good. You know that, similar.
Hey, Juliet. Hi. What's up? Yeah, I'm fine. Oh no. I'm heading out. I'm taking the girls out.
English is some people's problem.
Yeah, we'll be back by 4. All right. Okay. Bye. All right. Bye. All right, girls. Let's go.
I don't like the auntie.
Which auntie?
Wait, you mean Auntie Juliet? But you don't even know her.
I think so.
Be careful. She doesn't seem like a really nice person.
Oops, that is bad.
Wait, hold on. Wait. You haven't even met her before because I remember the last time she was here, you guys were upstairs.
Yes. Maybe she was peeping. That's her.
You like exposing me. Don't
Of
worry.
course.
I'll
Let's
catch you.
go,
I'll catch you
girls,
later.
let's
Don't
go.
worry. No, you want to tell me.
You guys had a great time, right?
Yes.
Yes, of
Awesome.
course.
Awesome. That's good. That's great.
Mommy!
How are you guys?
Hi.
Did you guys miss me?
Yes, I miss you, Mommy.
Oh.
Not really.
Okay, you guys should go upstairs.
Okay, Mommy.
Come on, get dressed, eh?
I wasn't expecting you today.
I'm going to discipline.
I've been trying to reach you since yesterday, but your number was not reachable.
Oh, I'm sorry. That was probably because of network issues. Sorry, I didn't know. But how is Uncle?
He's getting better by the glory of God.
Thank
Just
God.
that he has been asking about these children non-stoppable. So I'll be going with him.
So soon? Come on now. You can spend a night at least.
You know I would if I could, but my husband is asking about them non-stoppable. I need to go with them today.
I understand.
Your husband had a talk with me when I came.
Look, Auntie Amarachi, listen. Don't bother about it. I already know what you want to talk about, okay? But we're good. Okay? We're okay.
If you said so.
Let me go get the kids ready.
Okay.
All right.
My brother, and
Obi.
and that's the guy where I want give that a consignment.
Welcome. Mandy, how are you?
I'm doing
Welcome,
good.
welcome.
Yeah, I'm good.
All right. And baby,
Yeah?
I'm wait.
Baby, beginning. Why you dey dress like this now? Uchechi, why you dey dress like this to go work?
Ubina.
What's wrong with
Eh? Uchechi, you not crazy? Uchechi, go upstairs, go change this rubbish for body. Go upstairs, so you they don't look me. Go upstairs, go change them.
Ubina.
See am now? You see am now? Eh? See as my wife wan dress to go work. You no see am? Eh? So if I no dey house now, she go dress like this. Married woman o.
Ubin, you need to calm down. Just dey calm down. Why what's all this embarrassment now? Just dey embarrass your wife. Why? It's not fair. It's not fair. Ah, Ubi.
Let her come down here first, wearing that same clothes, and see whether I will not send her packing immediately. Eh? If your husband that has, he they go work like say you be prostitute.
You just embarrassed your wife.
I do not just embarrass her. Don't speak for her.
Because this your jealousy is going to make you lose her.
Uchechi.
Can you imagine? See, Obina, let me tell you something. You see, this your jealousy is going to make you lose your woman. No?
You see the embarrassment you talk about. You see the embarrassment you talk about. You dey here now. I dey here now. She just waka comot. She don't even say okay bye bye my husband. You were here. She don't even tell you say bye bye to you. You see am?
That's because you embarrassed her.
I embarrass her. No problem.
She's going to just leave you alone and just get herself packing if you are not careful.
When the busy. When the busy. Because transport yourself and be living. Transport yourself and be reading. Because now you be like say you dey take side. Person dey here misbehave. Instead of which you dey collect her. You dey here dey on her side.
Obina, somebody needs to tell you the truth, and I just did. I'm going to take my leave.
Tell me which
See you later.
You tell me which truth. This girl is just to come out like this. I'm boy now. You just best anyhow come out for house.
Hey. Uchechi, they cut my call. Okay. They cut my call. No problem. No problem. Hey. Ew. Who get them? Mommy. Tomato just the big. Why you behave like this?
See, I don't solve this one now, please. I just want to go inside and rest. I'm tired.
You still the best for me, Okwaya? You still the best for me? Yeah, mommy. Not the best for me. I don't say you the best because I say make you know where that thing. Okwaya?
But why would you embarrass me like that in front of your friend? Is that not enough reason for me to be angry?
It's okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Now me mess up. In fact, I don't do well at all. But the thing we say, are they fearing to they see you they come out, you know? You fine, no? You not say fine. You find like 5 people. In fact, your fineness it can't be like say you be angel. If you check heaven now, one they miss. Now you be that. Now you be that one. Yeah, so all these boys, when they see you, their eye go they follow you everywhere. See your skin now, no bleaching. Everything 100. Boom. See your lips. Anybody will see you when they kiss. I know that thing, if you give me high blood pressure, you know this. See, I even talked to one of my friends now. He tell me, say, if you rough somebody, say you go to lost them. So I don't talk to her now, me I go to lost you. You get 100% of my trust. You can wear those your gumbo now, no problem.
Wait. So which of these your friends? Which one? Who told you?
That's secret. I'm not going to tell you that one. That one is secret. I'm not going to tell you that one. But you don't forgive me, Okwaya? Baby.
Okay, now. See. You're my husband. And I love you. Okay? I'm not going anywhere. I'm here with you.
Chai. Mama. You're my baby. I'm not going to rest you again, you know? Welcome. Take this thing. Chai. My baby is bad, just like a Bentley. My baby is bad. Baby now. So now we don't make peace now. It be like say we will go upstairs, go do one. He dey hungry you since because I know say when you dey sleep for night where AC dey hammer you that yesterday. You dey turn, you dey touch your leg. Your body dey do great. Just one. Kainga, come on. Hey, baby. I'm going to twerk it. Just small twerk now. Don't you put the tail romantic and I'll twerk for me small. Hey, baby. Baby, man. You want to give me now? And who is going to enter? And then come. Hey.
Wow. Breakfast in bed. Oh. I see. Hey, I got soup for breakfast in bed.
But it's the thought that matters, though.
Exactly, and that is why I ate it.
I never would have. You tried. But seriously, you're not going to the party because of your husband.
Julie, listen. This has got nothing to do with Obinna, okay? It's an all-night party, and I'm a married woman, so...
Married women forbidden to have fun. But okay. Let's make a toast to all the married women in the house.
God.
Cheers, married women.
It's so silly.
Go. Drink more. Uche. What time is it? Past 1 a.m.
What? Jesus! Jeez! Why did you wake me up?
Calm down.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I'm dead. Hey! 48 missed calls. I'm finished, I'm dead. Oh my god, I'm dead. Oh my god.
Uche, you can always call him back tomorrow morning, okay? It's late. You can't go anywhere.
Dead.
So can we go inside? I'll fix you the guest room. Let's go.
Babe. Babe, I'm sorry. I slept off at Juliet's place and by the time I woke up was really, really late. I'm sorry, babe.
How wrong?
What?
Uchechi, how wrong have you been sleeping with other men outside this marriage?
What are you talking about? I said I slept off at Juliet's place and I woke up and I even sent you a message. I'm not doing anything.
This is what I've been fearing all this time. If not that my spirit have been telling me since that something is wrong, that my wife is doing something outside, I did not listen. I did not listen to my spirit. But now I have discovered that you are sleeping with different men. And you are a married woman.
You know.
Obina Gine!
Why
Obina what? Go and pack your things. You are leaving my house immediately. Eh? And I know, start with this one.
Obina, what did I do? I did not do anything. Obina, what did I do?
What did you do?
Obina, I did not do anything.
You are doing it again with other men.
I'm not doing anything.
What did you do? You are brother.
I didn't do anything.
You are leaving my house right now.
Wait, Obina, see, I slept over at Juliet's place. I did not know I woke up late. I sent you a message. Obina, please. Obina!
You are leaving my house right now! You are leaving my house right now! Carry your things! I'm still in my house! I'm not in my house! You are sleeping!
I'm not sleeping!
You are a man! You are sleeping with that man in my house! And you call yourself wife! You call yourself wife! I've been telling you these things since! I've been telling you these things since! You don't want to hear! I don't hear that you believe in this house! I don't hear in this house! Carry everything and get out of my house!
I did not steal anybody!
You did what?
I overstepped at Juliet's place! Obina said you're lying!
You are a bloody liar!
I am not lying!
Okay, pay your bride price! I marry you! You get the mind! Okay, who made this? Who made this now? It shocked you? Hold on first!
Obina, wait!
Hold on first!
Obina, wait! Obina, didn't know me! This is not me!
It is not you!
I don't know who this
you are
man is!
You are who are it?
Obina, see! This thing is not
This guy is Kwanu!
Obina!
This guy is Kwanu! Come back here!
Obina, see!
Leave my house!
Obina, wait! Obina, wait!
Come on, house, George! If I see you here again, I'm going to George! You marry a Boku, and you are still going to go and cheat with the little laugh!
Obina,
you don't even laugh!
Obina, did not do
anything! Obina, get him out! Suspect now!
Come on, Chi, stop crying.
Why wouldn't he believe me?
Can you just stop crying? We'll figure it out. Come here, come here. Come. There is something I don't understand. Who sent him those pictures?
They wouldn't say. But I'm just confused. People would want to sabotage me like this.
Don't worry, we'll find the truth, okay? The truth will come out. I'm sorry.
This is bad.
Bad na small thing for this kind of situation now. In fact, it is worse than bad. Say, Chief Idikam, Obinna Eze, my wife go dey do go with a small boy. That is with a small boy. This kind of thing fit short person life now. What will remain inside?
But I never took your wife to be a cheat.
I never took her to be a cheat too. But evidence is choke now. That is proof would they everywhere. But she still deny her.
Let me look at the picture again.
I go show you. Look am very, very well. Look am. Look am. As you look am, mark that boy face because we go need to look for him. I won't find her. Because that riff-raff. For his whole life, if he see married woman, he go alone. He go alone.
Obinna, you know what? Send this picture to me. I'll look into it.
I go send them to you now like this. Check your WhatsApp.
Okay. I don't see him. So make I go do my findings.
If you first see him before me, give and slap.
Make I do my findings.
Give and slap before me. Thank you, Anne. No, you're not going anywhere. You don't come go somewhere now. You don't come go somewhere. You allow Keke driver drive Lamborghini. Hey! Nah,
Uche, how long will you keep being like this? Do you enjoy being like this? Huh? Come on now, stop crying. This man does not deserve your tears, okay? He constantly embarrassed you, threw you out of the house without proof, yet you are here crying. For what? He doesn't deserve your tears.
Juliet, I've been faithful. 100%.
I know. And believe me, I trust you. That is why I'm telling you to not waste your tears on that man. Come on now, get up. Cheer up. I'm going to church, okay? Will you be fine without me?
Okay.
I'll put you in my prayers, okay?
Come inside, the door is open. Juliet.
Obinna.
What are you doing here now? If you find your friend, she know the house.
I'm not here because of her. I heard what happened. I'm so ashamed.
But now your friend now. Is she not your friend?
Yes, but what she did was wrong.
See, if you come here to come and apologize for your friend, I'm unavailable at the moment. In fact, I am not interested. So go and tell her that one.
I'm not here for my friend. I'm here for you. I care about you. I can make you breakfast. Have you eaten?
Have I eaten? You're worried about me.
Worried about me as who now? Eh? Maka, why?
Is it a crime to worry about you?
It is a crime to worry about me. Don't worry about me. Worry about yourself. In fact, come on, be going.
Obina, stop pushing me away. I'm not Uche. I'm different.
You're different. You and your friend are bed of the same feather.
I'm not Uche.
So now you think, say, okay, you go let Buba come here. Can't try to seduce me.
I beg, rest.
I beg you, rest. Get out. Just imagine. Your friend, where you supposed to come to try back for your friend. You won't come seduce her husband. They will blood this kind of wag. And I feel swear, say, now this idiot to go advise my wife to do romance outside. Bad friend. You can take care of me with your finger. We be like a person who get leprosy. Person wife. Person wife. Just go do now. So the freedom where they ask for be this. You they ask for freedom since. Now the freedom where they ask for be this. You they wear mini skirt, they call your office.
Obina, can you put your voice down? Why you
shouting? They wear fishnet shirt, they come work. Oh, why? As a married woman, we don't marry person. That's what they dress come work. Now me this now.
Obina, please. Why
you everything what you do for this life and I commit adultery and the fornication. Sleeping around with everybody, every leaf laugh with car I buy for you. I don't cry for you. And they pay you salary every goddamn month. But now they pay you, no person they pay for this company. How much they pay you? Hey, where you go, Ole?
Obina, please.
And they pay you money. You come
me.
here, they embarrass me. Chief wife, they wear mini skirt with the streets.
Obina,
they carry my car.
Obina.
What I buy for you, they sleep around.
Chief, sorry.
Excuse me, who are you?
Please,
okay, you're one of the people sleeping with her.
No, please. Please.
So.
This is office environment.
And so, how much with the company?
Please,
how much with the office now?
Please,
no, and see, I'm asking you, how much is the bloody company? Make I buy them for you here now. Here now.
We beg you. Sorry, Uche, what's wrong? I heard voices.
They call her my first name. Chief wife, they call her my first name. Eh? No, you call her my first name now. Uche. Uche. Mrs. Uche. I remember you now. Nobody they sleep with my wife.
Obina, what is this?
Nobody they sleep with my wife. Your own rocking go dey different. Because I go do panty, can't do kele. I go do panty first, can't do kele for you. And then they go they frog you every morning. If they commit communication and adultery with my wife, she make walk your give my khaki.
Security.
Name Kakim.
Please come, please.
Name Kakim. If you want to they sleep around the air, no be for inside my car. You get an AC, they sleep with them. Yeah, if you call security, security, all of una, I go rock una up.
This is an office.
Now money, I go rock una up. I go rock you up. I go rock you up. I go rock you up.
Please, you can take this thing and settle it at home, please.
Excuse me, please. God damn it. Nonsense. When you finish, click to wherever you go to. Nonsense. I beg you, sorry. I know. I wish I know keep you waiting too long.
I actually came earlier, so I saw your car outside. I thought you were inside.
No problem. And I know they. I go see Uche. I go correct my car from her because that girl no go dey drive car where I buy for her with small boys now. You know, because that's what they do.
Well, that's the thing. There is something I need to show you.
You don't say nothing.
The picture is AI, artificial intelligence.
The picture is the AI. I'm getting boy AI. Which one be that one now?
Artificial intelligence. It means the picture is fake. She's not the real person in that picture.
When did we say? When did we say? You be my friend though. You be my bosom friend. I no go believe say now you don't try dey manipulative a little bit. I no go one believe him. Because I see say money leave her account recently. It don't bribe you. Of course. It don't bribe you now. So for you to call at the time you say that picture no be real, say na fake. It don't bribe you now.
Obina, I have already made
That's when we see her picture the other day. You don't see him? Yeah, then go she wear. No be any I buy for her for here 2021 Valentine Day. Not be him. So now you don't turn to somebody now.
Obina, trust
spiritual
me.
kissing.
Trust me. I already made my findings already.
You made your findings.
I've checked everywhere. It is AI. They changed her face to her face. Trust me. You don't trust your friend again. Think about it now, Obina.
I don't hear that thing before.
AI.
Elon Musk. Now in company they do that thing.
I don't even know, but it's an artificial intelligence.
Hey. Wait, the person is serious.
I'm very serious. I'm dead
so
serious.
That picture no be real.
It's not she
Hey! I don't mess up. I give am premium embarrassment today.
Can you?
I dey come.
Hold on.
Okay.
Don't you think you need to know the person that sent the picture to you?
Okay, you hear they think. Person why I give premium embarrassment, they decline. Make we hear they think. Yeah, I be thinking they come.
Wait. I have a boy, a hacker. So I need to take your phone to him. So he's going to check who sent the picture to you.
Yeah. The boy they good.
Which
one be take my phone to him? Boy on a phone. Tell him to come here. Nah. I go pay for transport and services.
Okay, let me call him now.
Call him. Make it they come. Nah. Hey, premium embarrassment to.
Hello.
Uche, what's wrong?
I have never been this humiliated in my entire life. I can't do this anymore.
Do what?
I want to divorce Obinna.
I think I support you on that. And whatever decision you're going to make, I am strongly behind you. Oh my gosh, you're crying. Come on. I got you, girl. Oh. Sorry. Oh, I don't like saying you like this.
Now you place this thing since now. Which kind of place be this one where you place? You say you be better hacker. Give me a result now. You dey place laptop, they squeeze face.
Let him do his job. Just calm down.
You say na better hacker now. You waste time now. That's what they do.
Yeah. I'm done. This is the number that sends the message. Yeah. The name is registered under the name Juliet Timothy.
Hey! Juliet.
Yeah. It's another person that registered it.
Flens. Now Flens go stain your white. Obinna, you don't mess up. And I for know this thing. Because the way this girl they behave since, I for don't suspect something they happen. See, make her the loan. I go forward you money to give her.
Okay.
And my dear.
Hey! Let's go.
Juliet. No problem. Let me. Alright. So it's balancing me, you or?
Yeah, I'll send it to you.
Okay. No problem, yeah. You get it, then.
Coming.
Chill. Biko, just to pipe down, Biko. Just wait now, Biko,
Obinna, what are you doing here?
My wife,
Your wife?
Yes, now.
Me, your wife, Obinna?
Yes, now.
Obinna, listen, I don't know what you're doing here, but since you're here, let me make this very clear to you. I am filing for a divorce.
Umbano, already be divorce now, You see, I'm very sorry, I'm very, very sorry. This thing now, devil caused this thing, We just they get a good relationship. devil just look us, don't say, it be like say this relationship get prospered.
Obinna.
It can't spoil them.
Obinna.
Maybe I'm sorry.
Since I got married to you, you have brought me nothing but shame and embarrassment. That is all you have been doing to my life since I got married to you.
I agree. And I neglect it. In fact, I neglect. Nobody for this world they neglect and leech me. Maybe I'm sorry. You see, this thing, now I can't realize say that thing no be you. Now this thing, artificial CIA, that Elon Musk company thing, AI, where they carry picture and picture, you go come man, they come kiss. You don't kiss anybody.
Of course, I know that I did not kiss anybody.
Listen, I've been there, no inside, they say you no kiss because your mouth for the smell.
But I was trying to tell you that I did not do anything, but what did you do? You chased me out of our home. As if that was not enough. You now came to my workplace and you brought out a crowd and embarrassed me in front of my colleagues. Obinna.
Now the neglect be this one they tell you say they neglect. And they neglect them. Now, see, the way I say now alone come here. Baby.
I don't care because it is too late. No, it is too late already. I don't care. We're still getting a divorce.
Let us not talk of divorce now. What do we hear divorce now? You be my wife now.
Oga, Mr. Obinna, good afternoon, sir.
Give one. Juliet! I don't find you since.
What is this?
This one na wench. You are a bloody wench. Why do you send me that picture? You use AI. You send me picture of my wife. Say she dey kiss another man. Not be you.
What? Wait. What are you saying, Obinna?
I don't know what you're talking about, sir.
You don't know what I'm talking about.
No.
Ngwano, let me explain it for you. Let me explain it for you, baby, just to calm down, because just so you can listen. Make I play the cassette for you. It is as you send picture, we don't go find that. But I don't call hackers. I call professional hackers. They don't hack that thing. And they don't tell me, as you send me that picture with another number, you forget saying that your NIAN and now you use the register. It shock you? It be you like a cinema film, scary movie. Me too, it shocked me. It do a TV show, it not even stop there. She now getting mind where Buba and the Gele come my house to come tell me say you don't confess, say now you do. How was she? Do it, how was she?
AI.
AI.
You sabotaged me and you still pretended to care? Juliet.
This one is a key person. Now glint slake in glint glass.
I didn't know what came over me.
You are such a terrible friend. Juliet, I'm moving out of here. But that does not mean
that
does not mean I'm coming back to you.
Baby, no, now wait, we go to
please leave me alone.
Baby.
Uche, please.
Come here. Leave this way, Uche. Today, you go know why they call me Odugu. You go know why my name na Chief Obinna Ohaneze. I go carry you go police station.
You never wish like that now. I beg now. I beg.
You never say anything.
I beg.
If you see that's a relationship, you go along.
I beg.
Come here.
Now because say you fine, no. I beg.
I go show you say I don't too far like that. Hello? Yes, Auntie. I need your help, Nico.
Auntie, why did you bring me out here?
Uchenna, please. I'm begging on his behalf. Pekon, please, forgive him. Excuse me, I'll be inside.
Thank you. Baby, I'm sorry. I don't know what thing come over me. Why they behave anyhow. But I'm very, very sorry. In fact, I don't decide to say from now on, anyhow where you want dress. If you like to wear buba, if you like to wear mini skirt, if you like to wear body hug, I don't go to stop your dressing. Yeah? But that mini skirt to own, you no go too short. Yeah?
Obinna.
Baby.
You hurt me.
Ma'am, I know. And I'm very sorry. Yeah? You could forgive me.
Do you promise to let me go to work? You allow me go to work without you suspecting any of my activities out there?
Yes, Nana. I promise. In fact, go to work. I suppose to trust you. Because how person go marry wife, you not trust the wife. Which kind of marriage be that one? Yeah? Sorry, Biko. Yeah. I don't dey house since. In fact, I don't enter depression, come off of depression, enter them again. Back to back depression, and they do me like this. Eh?
I forgive you.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you too.
You love me?
Shut
No, sorry, In fact, I go buy you a Lamborghini. Which color you want a Lamborghini? You don't want Lamborghini?
Better
now I think they trend online now. If I buy you a Lamborghini like this now, you go love me. Make I buy you a Lamborghini.